This Road to Prosperity video is sponsored by Graaf, the leader in the design and manufacturing of high-quality, premium efficiency conveyor belt drives. The GrizzlyDrive Drum Motor is built to operate in harsh, dusty, abrasive, and extreme environments where performance and durability matter most.
Let's talk maybe broadly about 2024 from a business standpoint. It seems to me our readers, your customers, they're doing well. We heard those sorts of sentiments too at the roundtable that you graciously attended. Do you agree with that sentiment? It surely seems like things are going well. Maybe we're not performing at some of the levels we did a few years back, but there's enough slice of the pie for everybody to be somewhat happy at least.
Yeah, I can certainly speak from our company standpoint. We had a record year in 2023, as many of my colleagues had. A lot of our Pit and Core membership had. We're seeing the same really trend in 2024. I have to admit, though, I don't want us to take it for granted. I want us to continue to work hard, pay attention to our customers, and be in front of them. And I think this show is an indication of that. People have come out, they're here, they're going to be here all week. So we really feel good about 2024, 2025. You know, you're hearing a lot about inflation. You're hearing a lot about, past recessions and the impact. We're just not really seeing that so much today, but we're always paying attention.
It is crazy, too. I mean, when the economy started to get a lot of whack a couple years ago with inflation, I kind of fall back on the fact that we were an essential industry through COVID, that idea, and we're infrastructure oriented. So we've got this 5-year IIJA infrastructure bill federally passed a few years back. We've got more states that are passing their own bills that are supporting infrastructure. And so while residential and non-residential work may be down in some parts or down more than we would like in some cases, the building, the roads, highways, that seems like that's holding us steady. Yeah, that's the core of what goes into aggregates demand, I would say, but that fallback is at least something that's comfortable, I'd say, for our readers and your customers at this moment.
Yeah, it really is. That's one of the great things about being involved with organizations like yours, Kevin, NSSGA, really understanding the legislations that are being passed. What does that runway look like, and how are you taking advantage of all that? You could, if you weren't so plugged into this, you could miss it, because while everybody believes that builds or roads and buildings and bridges and homes need to be built, it's really knowing that that's got to come out of the ground and it's got to be processed for that to happen. So while they agree on the output, they don't really know what the input is, and that's our job to educate, and we're able to do that through these forums.
Thank you to Graaf for sponsoring this Road to Prosperity video. Visit vandergraaf.com to discover the cost-saving and safety benefits of the innovative GrizzlyDrive Drum Motor. Learn how the GrizzlyDrive reduces maintenance costs while delivering reliability and longevity for belt conveyors operating in the harshest of environments.